If you're not making any consistent and substantial amount of progress towards your goals, or if you're even regressing, then this science-based guide for self-improvement is for you. I know most of you don't look at self-improvement in a scientific way, but what if we did? Well, there are actually 6 valuable insights we can gain from this. And in this video, I will be sharing to you the lessons I gained from hours of work and my experiences of being a consistent honor student for more than 10 years. For us to approach self-improvement in a scientific way, we will be applying what we call the scientific method, but I'll revise it in a way where it fits self-improvement. Before we go in depth on the first part, you have to understand this. Asking questions is the first way to begin change. By now, you probably already have a general idea of what to do. Like you know that you should create goals, stay consistent, work hard, and stay disciplined. But the reason why you're not making any progress toward your goal may be because you don't know why you're doing it. You don't know the reason why you want to accomplish your goals. This makes introspection very important. Right now, I want you to answer these 2 questions. What are the most important things I need to improve on, and why do I want to improve on those things? And just paste it on a place where you can see it most of the day, or even make it your wallpaper for your device. Now, the second part is most likely something you hate doing because of how tedious it is and your experiences of it in school. But I guarantee you, most of the successful people around you are already a master of the skill. The reason why there are people around you that are 100 times more successful than you, even if you both work hard at the same rate, is because the other person has learned more things that will help them efficiently achieve their goals. So it's important to research. So basically, research topics such as how do I achieve X, or the best and most efficient way to achieve X. Essentially, research what you need to know to improve more quickly. Now you might be wondering why the first step of this process is not about creating a goal. And it makes sense for you to create an endpoint first and build your way towards it. But that's only true if you created a goal that you truly want to achieve. It's meaningless for you to mindlessly create goals that you don't even know if you want to achieve them. So the reason why I made you do introspection and research is to prepare you to create an informed goal that you truly want to achieve. So you need to create goals for days, months, years, and decades, and just basically break it down to the point where you have a clear plan of what to do. Also, make sure that you should start small at first, until you gain the momentum and skills to tackle harder goals. Remember, your growth doesn't have to be linear. It can go up and down, or it can even exponentially go up and then down. For us to maximize our growth, we also need to consistently do the work efficiently and effectively. Any work is basically a mix of physical and cognitive tasks. For cognitive tasks like studying or memorizing, you should research learning techniques such as the Feynman technique and spaced repetition. For physical tasks like going to the gym, then you should research about proper form, nutrition, and listen to your body. If it's a mix of both, like playing an instrument, then learn from experts you can find on YouTube, or if you can afford and find one, hire a good teacher. The 5th stage is you need to record your progress. A lot of you probably don't do this, and that may be the reason why you're not consistent or even engaged when you try to achieve your goals. It's because you don't record the progress you have already made, which means you can't physically see if you're improving or not, and you will get overwhelmed and eventually burn out. Now the final part is analyzing your progress. If you don't know the problems and the weak points you have, then how can you expect to address those issues and improve faster? So it's important to take your time recording your progress and analyzing it. So you'll have the data you need for you to know your strengths and weaknesses, and research ways to improve your weaknesses and master your strength. So those are the 6 processes based on the scientific method that you can do in order to boost your progress towards your goals and improve efficiently. This process can actually be more effective if you know what your purpose in life is. So you can check the video on the description, which will explain one concept for you that can help you find your purpose much faster.